Good morning, everyone. My name is Narra, and today I would like to share with you my experience about the Robert McGregor teacher training program at MPTC. Honestly, it was a very interesting experience for me because it was my first time discovering the world of teaching. And I learned a lot about what it really means to be a teacher, what is the role of a teacher, what they are aimed to bring to society, and also what they are able to be with children from preschool to higher levels. What I really liked the most was learning about modern teaching methods. So there are many methods that we have learned, and I really liked each one of them. It helped me to understand how important it is to listen to students and to support them in each one of their needs. This training really motivated me to become a better teacher, not only to teach them, but to care for my future students, of course, and to help them grow. So I would like to invite everyone to take part of this beautiful training program. Thank you.